dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. This is your science online class and students, myself Akanksha. I am your subject teacher of science and students, this is your science online class. So students, let us start today's class. As you know very well students, your chapter number 2 that is in proceeding, and the name of that chapter is keeping safe. It means students, in this chapter students, we had already discussed about the some safety rules for the road, some safety rules for your home, and the some safety rules for the schools. We have to already explain. Students, and in my previous video classes, I have already explained briefly about the all topic related to this chapter. And students, as you know very well, the safety rules is very important for you because if you follow the some safety rules, you the some safety rules keep to you safe and secure. Okay students, so we should follow the some safety rules and avoid the causes of injuries and accident. Okay students, and students, as you know very well, in my previous video classes we have learned about the some exercises related to this chapter, and now today this class is basically based on the word meaning. It means students, the key word of this chapter we will discuss here. It means students, in your chapter 2 you can see there are many difficult words given, and here we will discuss about the some difficult word and their meaning. Difficult word is and their meaning is very important for you students because this is help to you for the uh, understanding of this chapter. So now let us discuss about the key word and their meaning here. Your first word is safety. What is the meaning of safety, students? As we have to learn by the previous video classes, the some safety rules is very important for us, and with the help of the safety rules we and students, so let us discuss about the safety. What is the means of safety? Students, the means of safety is the be safe. It means your first word is safety and their meaning is the be safe. So firstly students, take out your CW copy and you have to write this keyword, this all keyword in your CW copy and learn their meaning also. Okay, so you have to write the first word is safety. So, and now the meaning of safety is be safe. It means uh, when we be safe, that is called the our safety. Okay, and now students, let us, you can see the second word is object. What is object? And the object means students things, anything that is called the object. So you will write the things. Okay, and now the next is subway. During the explanation video, during the explanation time students, I have already discussed about the subway and the zebra crossing. So students, the meaning of subway is an underground path is called the subway. The underground path is called the subway. I hope you have done these all three meanings, 1, 2 and 3. So now repeat again. Safety means is be safe. Object means things, and subway means an underground path. Okay. So now next word is zebra crossing. What is the meaning of zebra crossing? Let us discuss here. An area on a road, an area on a road marked with the black and white line, that is called the zebra crossing. Now repeat again. In the next students, you will write the zebra crossing, and their meaning is area on a road marked with black and white line. Okay. And now in the next, first aid. What is first aid? Now the meaning of first aid is the immediate help given to an injured person. Okay. Now I am repeating. The immediate help given to an injured person, that is called the first aid. Okay. I hope you have done. Okay. Now the next one is, and this is the last antiseptic. What is the meaning of antiseptic, and why do we use the antiseptic? Let us discuss here. Students, something that kills germ, that is called the antiseptic, and it is a type of ointment when we get injured from from anywhere, so we use for our hazard. Okay student. So the antiseptic is an ointment, means that is kills the germ, so that is called the antiseptic. Okay student, and students, as you can see here, the home assignment is also given. Write the given notes in your CW copy and in your fair copy also. Okay. So by all of you, and you have to write this keyword in your CW copy and fair copy, and learn also students. Okay. Bye everyone. Thanks a lot watching this video. We will meet again in my next video class.